Welcome guys, welcome to the channel True Jamaican Vibes Fire Read. So today I am in Montego Bay, you know. Yeah man, one place them call name Iron Shore. I think most person heard about the Iron Shore area. So you're gonna sit down and take a ride with Fire Read. You're a tour guide where I tour different areas in Jamaica. You will see the countryside, also the town side. And we all know Iron Shore, Mobe, is considered one of the most expensive area in the city of Montego Bay. From resort, restaurant, gym and casino. Yeah man, so I see some beautiful houses in the area. Yeah man, them place here. A lot of rich people live in them area. Rich and poor people live everywhere. Yeah man, so sit down and enjoy the drive. Tell me what you think about this area, if you would live in this area. No, me see one empty lot on this location so far. I know say millions of them land here. Upon them house here, me paper. Beautiful Jamaica in the Montego Bay City. Mobile City, yeah man. Leave in the comment section where you watch from and indicate where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out. When you see the zinc fence, you know say they might do some renovation on them place. So in a couple more months when they come here, so you can look and see one big of a building right there. This place is so clean and beautiful. Yeah man, so just watch a view and tell me what you think about this area. Wow. So this video gonna be a part 1 and part 2. Yeah man, so this video gonna be a part 1 and part 2. So you can check out for the part 2. So this is the part 1. So remember to check out for part 2 of Iron Shore. Yeah man, just remember to check out part 2. I see where they have some place for sale right here. For sale, you can contact 876-908-3877. Yeah man, and if you check out them places if you don't want some place to buy, big up on yourself and then when I watch from. And remember to check out part 2 of the video. Thanks for watching.